I have here is Diatone Roma L5. I bought it about almost 2 months ago. This is meant for cruising, so I flew this quad several occasion. Normally I flew with this GNB battery, okay, but this is an old battery. I recently acquired the 6S version. This is dated 20th of June this year, 2021. So I flew it usually without the GoPro mostly, and then it flies very nice. Can do a lot of freestyle. With the GoPro I did flew a couple of times. It will feel a little bit sluggish, but I would understand because this quad is meant for cruising. This is, as you can see here, the motor is 2004 1700 kV. I have a lot of issues with this quad actually. The telemetry values from the quad back to my transmitter. So I got a feeling this is due to the flight controller, this all-in-one flight controller. Most of the time I didn't get the telemetry values, so that's my issue with this quad. Other than that, should be okay. The VTX, they did not set up to open all channels. It is already set with only 25 milliwatt, so you have to add your own inside the VTX tables. Flight range so far, I've tested about 600 to 800 meters away from me using this VTX. It is 400 milliwatt. I've got some, I do not have the confidence, as the VTX give me some interference, so it could have been due to the RF interference in my area. So I do not want to put any blame on anything lah. But so far, before this, I have several quads of from Diatone using the TX400, because I do have the LR4, and I do not have this issue. I can go up to 1.5 kilometers in this area. It should be in that range, 1.5 kilometer. Okay, I am using my trusted Fat Shark Attitude V5. I'm running the patch, triple patch feed antenna here, and as well as a 3 dBi Lipo antenna. Okay, done. Usually the flight time for this 4S it'll come to about 5 minutes, and for this 6S without the GoPro I could get up to 8 minutes. With GoPro is some about a little more, about 6 minutes like that, with light cruising I mean. So I'm going to try and plug it in. See, there's nothing, none. after 2 flights, I sad to say the flight characteristic is not that good.